Welcome to Taiba Kids!
Santa's coming late tonight, riding through the snowy white. Little kids all laugh and say, let's leave snacks for Santa's sleigh. Cookies on a shiny plate, milk beside them, don't be late. Sweet treats waiting by the tree, just for Santa's midnight spree. Reindeer prance outside the door, who's go tap upon the floor. Carrots waiting just for them, crunchy snacks, yum, yum, yum. Santa slides down with a cheer, ho, 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 I'm happy here. Seeing cookies set with care, smiling wide beside the chair. Crunch, crunch, crunch go Santa's bites, milk goes gulp in quiet nights. Thank you kids for treats so sweet, Santa says with jolly feet. Reindeer munch their carrots too, snowflakes sparkle in the blue. Jingle bells ring in the air, Christmas magic everywhere. Santa packs his sleigh once more, tiptoes softly to the door, leaving gifts beneath the tree for the kids so happily. Morning comes and kids all cheer, Santa Claus has been right here. Empty plate and glass they see, Santa loved the snacks and
Thanks for watching Taiba Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe!